And that's the night it happened. God. I'm so sorry.
For what? Just for the best. Congratulations.
What did the change in heart?
Because you love him, I think a good thing. Now I got a better chance it's from the actual I said exclusive before I bring the one who killed the other day. You know, I was going to marry to a woman for nothing.
You were once married.
Oh, this was nothing. Yes, it was. 18 years old. Fresh out of high school, I was working on my real estate business, and she signed up for the military and eventually got sent off the war. She calls me one day and hears this female's voice in the background. First time we ever got on the phone and said we love each other. A day later, we called that night breakfast. But you know, I mean, the female voice she heard was my roommate's girl. Instead of calling me the bill and took a roommate, had too much pride, and killed my wife.
I'm sorry to hear that.
And my motto now is, if you love her, tell her. Because I tell you a person today, they're gone tomorrow. Carmen, if you love your husband, tell your husband. Everything's registered. Yeah. How's Carmen? Carmen is Carmen. Hey, Mom. When Dad was alive, how did you guys make your marriage work? Because I want to work. Dear Carmen, would you please be my girlfriend? Yes. Maybe. No. Yes. Please say yes. I'm in fourth grade. Carmen, I know you're pregnant. I came here to fight for you. You're going back home with me, or I have to burn this house down. Baby, I hear you. I see you. I'm so sorry for all my selfish crap pushing you away. I always felt that I couldn't give you the family you deserve. The family we always wanted. Carmen, said there will be like 1 in a billion chance that you'll be able to conceive. Carmen, the fact that you are pregnant is a sign. It's a sign. And I'm willing to do whatever it takes to win it back. This meeting is always going to be